And it is off the trailer, and with new fenders. I found these locally. I didn't have to go out of state for them. Turret Engineering. All sorts of racing stickers on it. I also got an emblem and plate. Starting to look like a good car now. Stickers on this side too. Still don't have an air cleaner for it. I did manage to put the timing belt on. I found the place for it. It's actually right behind the crank. But she's pretty much done. Ready to go up for sale. The interior is pretty much done as far as I'm taking it. And that's about it, pretty much. Another thing I discovered is the rain guards. Someone has painted them like a bronze or like a gold to match the emblem on the back and the rims. As you recall, the rims are this color. See? Well, I found the change holder here. The little pocket that goes underneath it, I found those in the stash of parts. Same thing for the other side. Here's this one. And I'm going to go over it again with the shine juice, and you'll see the finished result of what it looks like.